Hello everyone, you're on the channel A Master is Not Afraid of Work. Today I'll tell you how to replace the pump drive in a Samsung washing machine. Here's what the indicator looks like on the control panel. The machine is locked, the lock icon is lit. So you won't be able to open it yet, so let's start by draining the water. Mine started pumping poorly. I took it apart and realized that the impeller was loose inside. I've just bought a new one, so let's install it. We turned the washing machine upside down and then carefully removed the bottom protective cover from the device. The pump is right in front of us. To remove it, you need to disconnect two wires, making sure to remember which goes where. Remove the wire. Protection. And after that, the pump assembly is right here in front of us. There are precisely 3 robust bolts securing the pump firmly to the volute casing at this specific point. Unscrew them. After that, by carefully pulling on the pump assembly, we effectively remove the entire drive mechanism. Here, the electrical coil and the intricate winding components are in excellent condition. I have thoroughly checked it, meticulously tested it, and it is indeed good, but the overall condition of the unit is still being assessed. The flywheel and the impeller are very worn out. It can't be disassembled, so I had to install a new one. It's completely identical, just a slightly different color. Now it's really important to make absolutely sure that all the bolts, seals, and after that you will need to tighten the component securely with 3 robust bolts. Or screws. The main thing is to make sure there are no misalignments anywhere. And it fits snugly into its place. It sits well with a slight tightness. There's also a new gasket here. You need to check that the seating surface is clean. And after that, tighten it. Self-tapping screws. I'm carefully tightening them evenly, ensuring a consistent fit. Don't forget the one in the back, otherwise it will leak. You can't tighten the ones on the left. It's not necessary to remove the snail. The main thing is to check the filter there to make sure it's not clogged and there are no unwanted deposits. Carefully tighten all the self-tapping screws. And after that, then carefully connect the wires. And install the wire protection. The standard one will fit, of course. But now, for some reason, it doesn't fit. It's thicker here. But you can do without the protection. Let it work like this. The main thing is that it works. This is precisely how you can effectively replace the water pump without completely disassembling or physically removing the impeller or the snail component from the washing machine unit.